How much is, in Bosnian?
Koliko košta?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, great to have you here. Let's make price checking in Bosnian easy and a little funny. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to quick language wins. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for extra exercises, transcripts, and bonus audio. Today's superpower phrase is,
Koliko košta?
how much is? Keep that handy, your wallet will thank you. Your goal today. In minutes, you'll ask any vendor the price with confidence. Say it with me.
Koliko košta?
Break it down. Koliko, košta. Nice and smooth. Memory trick. Think costa tilde costa. If it's about cost, you say
Košta.
silly rhyme to lock it in. At the shop A, don't be lost A, just ask.
Koliko košta?
Sound and gesture. Let your body help your memory, seriously, it works. Gesture. Lightly raise the item and tilt your head as you ask.
Koliko košta?
Tap two fingers on an imaginary price tag while saying it.
Koliko košta?
Bonus beat. Koliko, košta, pa mi, reci.
Koliko košta?
Mini dialogue at the market. Imagine you and a vendor in Sarajevo's Baskarcija. You.
Koliko košta?
You point at a scarf. Vendor. 10 maraka, 10 marks. You. Vala, thanks. If you want it more formal, try.
Kolika je cijena?
What is the price? Word toolkit. Prices and deals. Boost your price chat with a few power words. Price equals.
Cijena.
To cost equals.
Koštati.
Expensive equals.
Skupo.
Cheap equals.
Jeftino.
Discount equals.
Popust.
Receipt, bill equals.
Račun.
Useful lines. Is there a discount?
Ima li popusta?
Can I get a receipt?
Mogu li dobiti račun?
That's expensive.
To je skupo.
Wow, that's cheap.
Vau, to je jeftino.
Drill time. Repeat after me, short, punchy, and useful. In a shop. How much is the apple?
Koliko košta?
Point to the apple. At a cafe. How much is the coffee?
Koliko košta?
Gesture to the cup. At the bazaar. How much is this scarf?
Koliko košta?
Hold it gently. Follow up. What's the price?
Kolika je cijena?
Then, is there a discount?
Ima li popusta?
Finally, can I get a receipt?
Mogu li dobiti račun?
Culture tip. Baskarcija. A quick traveler tip to keep you smiling and saving. In Sarajevo's Baskarcija, stalls are lively and friendly. Smile, make eye contact, and ask.
Koliko košta?
Before you decide, if the price feels
Skupo.
it's fine to politely ask about.
Popust.
A friendly tone often gets you a better.
Cijena.
Lightning quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud. 1. Which Bosnian phrase means, how much is? Answer.
Koliko košta?
2. What's price in Bosnian? Answer.
Cijena.
3. Say, expensive. Answer.
Skupo.
4. Ask for a discount. Answer.
Ima li popusta?
5. Ask for the receipt. Answer.
Mogu li dobiti račun?
Challenge and wrap up. One final push, then you're market ready. Pick any item near you, raise it slightly, and ask out loud.
Koliko košta?
Great job. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily. Use
Koliko košta?
whenever you shop, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more Bosnian lessons, transcripts, and fresh challenges. Vala.